In this video tutorial I am going to make a universal joint assembly. So first of all we are going to design some components and then we are going to assemble it. So the units are given in millimeters. Open the sketching and you have to select the right plane for it. Then I am going to draw some lines and after that I am going to add the dimension and constraint. I just added this line and dimension it. So from here to here this dimension is given as 175 millimeter, and I am going to add the offset intensities command, and this parameter offset distance is, let's select 3, 5. Just click anywhere, select this sketch, and you see it's going outside, so we need to reverse the direction. We can also add the bi-direction, the offset on both sides, but we need it that way. Click OK and use the line command and just zoom like that. Add these lines. Now just define the rest of the dimensions. So smart dimension tool, from here to this point this dimension is given as 100 millimeters, and from here to this point this dimension is given as 98.5, and this dimension, select this line and we needed to add a parallel dimension with the reference of this line like that. This is given as 80. The angular dimension between this line and this line, these two selected line, is 135. So let's see, our sketch is fully defined. I'm just going to add some fillets. So fillet here given as for this corner and this corner, and for this corner and this corner. The fillet radius is given as 10. It's selected by default. Check mark OK. So I'm just going to hide these relation of constraint. So like that. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to extrude, select this sketch like that, and this dimension is given as 50. Now we needed to make a hole on top, so sketch, and this surface we are going to select it for the sketching. Make it normal, draw a circle like that. Add the dimension from here to here. This dimension is given as 20, 5, and dimension from here to this edge, this dimension is given as 25, and this circular dimension diameter is 20. Add this dimension. We are going to exit the sketch. Now go to isometric view. We needed to extrude this circular cut to make a hole, and this extrusion depth we needed to make sure to select a dimension which is going to cut this hole from this material. So 50 is by default. It's okay, good. So this is our first component of the assembly, and save it. This is bracket. I'm just going to change the color. make it clean, and again save it. Now I am going to make another component, which is handle. So make sure you selected the units to millimeters sketching. This time I am going to select the top plane. I am going to select the center point straight slot, select this origin, draw a vertical line like that, and add the dimensions. So this dimension is given as 40, and the total distance we have to assign it. The center point of two circle, two arcs, this is 100. Sketch is fully defined. Exit the sketch. So select this sketch, extruded, and this extrusion is 4 millimeter over direction. Now we needed to add the sketch, and I am going to select this white plane, normal view, and here I am going to draw the half sketch, because I want to do the revolve command with this sketch. So I'm just going to add a half portion of this sketch like that. So this line I am going to convert it to for construction, just for reference, and again a line from here to close the sketch. So from here to this reference line, so make sure you select this diametral dimension. If like that, it's half, it's full, showing the diameter. This is 22, and from here to here. So if I move here, first I need to select the line, then reference line. So if I move beyond the reference line, it will show me the full dimension. Otherwise, according to your given dimension, you can also add the half dimension with the reference of this construction line or reference line. So from here to here, this dimension is given as 30. This distance is 30. So it's just moving the sketch in that direction, just like that. Just drag these lines like that. I needed to find the distance for the bottom one. From here to here, this is given as 10. So this line, this reference line, must be on the point of this is circular shape, so this must be in the center. So as we know, its total is 40, and this must be 20. Just add the position dimension, or you can also like draw a line from this one, this point showing this line is in front of the center, so that's why we can also draw it from here, but that's good. Then use the fillet. This fillet radius is 4. Select this line. Fillet could not be added because the specified radius would eliminate one of the elements, so don't worry about the fillets, we will add it later. So we just added the half sketch for revolve command. Use this command, and here we go. So we just add this. Again, open the sketch on the right plane. Again, we are going to use the revolve command, so I am just going to draw a line like that. I'm going to convert to this line for construction. This is just for my reference. I'm going to draw a line, horizontal line, just place it like that. You see your line is activated, line command is activated. So when move your mouse to the end point of the line you just draw. So when I move it here, it will become the arc tool. You see it converted to arc tool. So draw arc like that. Now after drawing that, it's again converted to the line command. Again move your mouse to this point. So now the tool is arc point, and draw arc and then the line like that. Now just define the dimension. So this total dimension from here to here is 20, and from this point to this line, this diameter dimension is 30. Sketch becomes weird, just make it small. Add the dimension. This arc has the radius of 4. This is also 4. So now we just needed to define some constraints. And this one is from here to it 20, total is 20, so it's 22, it become 11 like that. So as you see, sketch is fully defined. Exit the sketch, use the revolve command. So revolve command is using the axis of revolution, this axis. We just did that part. So next thing is that we needed to make a hole here. Cut, it's basically not a circular hole. We needed to draw a circle, so activate the circle command, then move your mouse to this circular edge and it will highlight the center. So we needed to draw the circle, and the diameter of this circle is 20. And we needed to add 2 lines which must be passing this circular like that, and we needed to trim these extra lines, this portion and this portion, and then we use this smart dimension tool, select this line and this center point, and this is 7. This is also 7. So now we needed to cut extrude. Go to feature, cut extrude, and the depth of this cut is 20. We just draw this cut, and then go to fillet. The fillet radius is 4, and select this edge. So this fillet is added. Now our handle design is complete. To save it, so in the next video I am going to draw other components.